Welcome back to my channel. So this weekend I headed to a place near Mumbai called Igatpuri. Not exactly though. The place is called Igatpuri Watersports and Camping, and I found this online after a little bit of searching, and I thought it would be a good place to go for the weekend. This is the first time in 8 years that I'm going somewhere near Mumbai for an outing, so it was a welcome trip. I'll add the details of the costs, whether it was worth it or no, whether I enjoyed the trip at the end of this video or at this timestamp. So please head on over there if you're not interested in my trip visuals, I guess. Let's get to the trip then.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you.
We're at a mall stop for lunch and I'm feeling very queasy because I haven't eaten in like 24 hours. Say hi.
Come on, it's wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place, but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here.
One eternity later.
Like in usual, I look like a mess. We're finally at the campsite. It's beautiful.
So close to Mother Earth. I think I found my passion.
एक टाइम आके
Can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, oh. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, oh. Just say it to my face.
we're waiting in queue for Watersports. Sup? Posing for a picture right now. The kayaks are just kept there, but there's a shortage of life jackets.
No, my Mustang, get no color. Yeah, my Mustang, get no color. Together we are go feel that soul. Run the dance floor, make the world go round again. Oh, yeah, it's Friday, or just a free day. Oh, make the world go round, round, round again. Oh, yeah, it's Friday, or just a free day. Oh, make the world go round, round, round again.
Once again, while kayaking, I had literally no camera or anything because I didn't carry the waterproof stuff. But it's always been a spiritual experience for me, kayaking in the lakes of our country. It's so freaking stunning. Look at that. I couldn't get the sunset, but that was even more beautiful. I'm happy. How do you guys feel?
Refreshing.
Relaxing.
Stress buster. Bewafa.
So my Mustang, get no color.
जंगलियों जैसे खा रहा है.
Together we are go feel that soul.
No, literally no light right now except for this.
Oh wait, who's that? Hottie.
Literally no light. See? That's all. That's the lake.
Where?
It's Friday, or just a free day. Oh, make the world go round, round, round again. Oh, yeah, it's Friday, or just a free day. Oh, make the world go round, round, round again. Oh, yeah, it's Friday, or just a free day. Oh, make the world.
Chicken gravy, chicken korma, and there's biryani and roti.
Show the biryani.
Oh, nice.
will trek soon. It's like 10:30 at night right now. And I don't have battery and there's no light here, so I highly doubt I can show you all what's gonna happen, but I'll try.
Bebe. So me Bob.
हाँ इट्स ओके, तो चल के चले जाओ. हो गया दोनों शूज ये चप्पल पहन के आया है. And he's a pro. It looks like a concert. Look at that. Everyone with the lights. How was the trek?
Very really nice and refreshing.
Worth every penny.
वसूली. रात
को आऊंगा मैं, तुझे ले जाऊंगा मैं.
इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो ना हो,
आगे क्या?
लग जा गले.
Who's making the rules I abuse? I'm confused enough.
My tent mate.
Yeah. We're getting intimate tonight.
It's like Altu's childhood dream, I'm guessing.
Why don't you think we could talk? Am I not the one who always comes through? Got me in a dark place if you couldn't tell. I know we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are heaven and hell.
I'm so fucking cold right now.
I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my.
Hi people, I'm finally home and as you can see I look pretty much dead right now. I am going to take a shower after 1.5 days and I'm going to go poop because I'm human and that's normal. I hope you enjoyed that video. It was so much fun for me to be out of the town for a while. I really needed it. So the trip costed me 1,400 bucks excluding transport as mentioned on the website. We booked a cab for 4,000 bucks. That was 1,000 per person. And we also had lunch while going there and while coming back on the highway. All included, the trip costed us 3,000 rupees per person. The best part about the trip was that the activities never ended. There was water sports, campfire, trekking, sunrise, 100% worth the cost. The thing I did not like about the trip was that it seemed like it wasn't very well planned, even though the organizers kept saying that they have been doing this for 20 years. There was literally no light whenever we needed to go to the washroom, not even a single LED bulb or a solar bulb or whatever. It was so freaking dark and climbing up and down that area was a task because there is no network at all. It's not a problem for me, but I think that shouldn't be mentioned on the site. And also there's no charging point, so take a portable charger if you go there. The good part is that the organizers did not interfere too much with whatever the people were doing. We were pretty free to hang out with our friends and do whatever we wanted. But my issue is that the place was kind of getting really messy by the end of the night. There was beer bottles and smoke buds everywhere. Because if this continues, within the next few years, the place is going to be a dump. And that is what happens to a lot of our nature sites in India. And this place was really beautiful, and I don't want it to end up the same way. So please, guys, if you're going, pick up after yourself. Other than that, we got lost once while reaching the campsite because it mentions Igatpuri, but it's not really Igatpuri. It's straight from Kasara, not exactly Igatpuri. So we got lost and people were asking extra money, blah blah blah. That wasn't much of an issue. Ooh, I forgot to mention, special thanks to Altamash for sponsoring, accompanying, creating, curating, just being there for the trip. Also, just kidding. He wanted me to mention his name 1,000 times. So thanks. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed that video and I'll see you bitches later. Bye!